Hello, Brookfield Properties special agents, and welcome to HQ. Thank you for coming at such short notice. As you know, my name is Roger Oldboy, and your country needs you.
My name's IQ, hacker, computer whiz, genius. Now, this is a highly sensitive mission, so some of you may not make it back. You best say your goodbyes now. Good luck. I'm counting on you.
Welcome to HQ. It's a Prime A, Cat A property straight from the landlord.
I don't understand. It's like the password keeps changing, so I need your help. What is it? Red, pink? Yes.
Blue, grey, yellow.
Blue, grey, yellow. Agents, I'm in.